I'm Joseph from Nanjing Solar. This is one complete set of a full DC inverter air conditioner. This is the indoor unit and this is the outdoor unit. The indoor unit mainly consists of the PCB controller and the evaporator and the through-flow fan with motor and the louver with a stepper motor. And this is the display screen. And there are two sensors. One is environmental temperature sensor and another is tube sensor. Outdoor unit mainly consists of the controller PCB and air compressor and the centrifugal fan with DC motor and DC four-way valve and DC extension valve. Of course, there are three temperature sensors. Here is the environmental temperature sensor, and here is the compressor discharge temperature sensor. Inside there is a copper tube sensor. For DC inverter air conditioner means the 6 main components are driven by the DC current. There are 2 in the indoor unit. One is the DC motor for the through-flow fan, and another is the stepper motor for the louver. And there are 4 DC components in the outdoor unit. One is the DC compressor, and this is the DC motor for the centrifugal fan. And this is the DC four-way valve, and inside there is the DC expansion valve. And let's operate this. The gaseous refrigerant R410A driven by a compressor and becomes high pressure and high temperature gaseous refrigerant about 70 to 90 degrees centigrade. And then it flows past four-way valve and the condenser discharges heat and it becomes lower temperature and higher pressure liquid refrigerant about 50 degrees centigrade and 2.9 megapascal. The fluid volume of the liquid refrigerant is adjusted by the expansion valve, becomes lower pressure and lower temperature. The liquid refrigerant about 0.8 megapascal and 5 degrees centigrade. And then it flows past the evaporator and absorbing the heat, and it becomes lower temperature and lower pressure. The gas is refrigerant about 5 degrees centigrade. Finally, the gaseous refrigerant from the indoor unit is suctioned into the compressor again and starts another circulation. Why inverter air conditioner can save energy? The inverter air compressor starts operation at a low frequency and then run at its highest frequency to cool down the room temperature quickly. But when the room temperature approaches the setting temperature, the air compressor will reduce the speed and the refrigerant flow volume will be reduced also to balance the heat load in the room.
Solar full DC inverter air conditioner can work alone in daytime if solar radiance is strong enough. Most solar energy powers air conditioner together with grid in daytime. In the evening, solar full DC inverter air conditioner is powered by grid alone, and solar energy takes a break. In daytime, full DC inverter air conditioner is powered by 48-volt battery bank through solar aircon controller. And meanwhile, solar energy charges the 48-volt battery bank with high-efficient MPPT function through solar aircon controller too. In the evening, full DC inverter air conditioner is still powered by 48-volt battery bank through solar aircon controller, but solar energy takes a break.